Welcome to Cougar Fashion, lovely viewers. When it comes to style, age is just a number, but the right fashion choices can make that number look a whole lot younger. Looking youthful isn't about chasing trends or dressing like someone half your age. It's about understanding what flatters your shape, brings out your natural glow, and keeps your look fresh and modern. In this video, we'll explore simple yet powerful fashion tips that instantly lift your look, boost your confidence, and help you embrace a younger, more vibrant version of yourself without ever losing your elegance. Green is one of those magical colors that can make you look instantly fresher and more youthful when worn the right way. The secret lies in choosing the right shade for your skin tone and styling it in a modern way. Softer greens like sage, mint, or pistachio bring a gentle radiance to mature skin, giving your face a healthy, lifted glow. Pink is a beautiful, uplifting color that has the power to take years off your look when chosen wisely. The key is to find shades that complement your complexion rather than overpower it. Soft pinks like blush, rose, or dusty pink can gently warm up the skin, giving it a healthy, youthful glow. Remember, style isn't about hiding your years, it's about celebrating them with grace and a little sparkle. If you enjoyed these tips and want more fashion advice that helps you look and feel your best, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Cougar Fashion, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new style secret. Stay confident, stay elegant, and I'll see you in the next video.